Hey wealth explorers! Is it really possible to make money during a recession? Recession, a word that can strike fear into the hearts of many. But did you know that it's possible to thrive financially even in challenging economic times? In today's video, we'll explore some smart financial strategies to help you make money and secure your financial future during a recession. Let's get started. The gig economy and freelancing. In a recession, traditional job markets may shrink, but opportunities in the gig economy expand. The gig economy offers freelance work, from writing and design to driving and delivery services. Embracing freelancing can provide you with additional income streams. Example: you can offer your skills on freelance platforms, such as Upwork or Fiverr, and work on projects that match your expertise. Investing in recession-resistant industries. Certain industries remain resilient during economic downturns. Consider investing in sectors like healthcare, essential utilities, or technology, which tend to remain stable or even grow during recessions. Example: investing in healthcare stocks can offer a defensive approach, as healthcare remains a necessity regardless of economic conditions. Building an emergency fund and cutting expenses. Preparation is key during a recession. Build an emergency fund to cover essential expenses. Also, review your budget and reduce discretionary spending to free up funds for investments or savings. Example: by cutting down on non-essential expenses, you can redirect money toward your financial goals. Entrepreneurship and starting a side business. Recessions can be an excellent time to explore entrepreneurship. Launching a small business or side hustle can create additional income streams. Identify areas where you can offer valuable products or services. Example: starting an e-commerce business, offering online courses, or providing consulting services can lead to financial success. Education and upskilling. In uncertain times, investing in your skills can pay off. Upskilling or obtaining new qualifications can enhance your employability and potentially lead to higher-paying jobs or opportunities in recession-resistant industries. Example: enrolling in online courses, attending workshops, or earning certifications in in-demand fields can boost your earning potential. Prudent investment and diversification. Smart investing can help you navigate the recession's challenges. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk and explore investment opportunities that offer potential growth during economic downturns. Example: investing in assets like gold, dividend-paying stocks, or bonds can provide stability and potential income. Let's discuss some common questions about the topic. Is it really possible to make money during a recession? Absolutely. Recessions bring challenges, but they also create new opportunities for those who adapt and take action. This video explores various strategies to help you thrive financially. What types of freelance work are in high demand during a recession? Recession-proof freelancing gigs often include digital marketing, content creation, graphic design, and remote customer service roles. They cater to businesses looking to maintain their online presence. How can I invest wisely during a recession to protect my money? Diversifying your investment portfolio and considering assets like gold, dividend stocks, and bonds can provide stability and potential growth during economic downturns. Why is an emergency fund important? And how do I build one? An emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. It's essential to cover essential expenses during tough times. Learn how to start and build your emergency fund effectively. Can I start a side business with limited resources during a recession? Yes, starting a side business is possible even with limited resources. Is upskilling really worth it, and can it lead to better opportunities? Upskilling enhances your employability and opens doors to better opportunities. How can I diversify my investment portfolio effectively? Diversification involves spreading risk across different assets. Is now a good time to invest in stocks during a recession? It can be an excellent time to invest in stocks if you choose wisely. Learn about recession-resistant industries and stock options that may thrive in uncertain economic climates. How do I balance saving for emergencies and investing during a recession? Striking a balance between building an emergency fund and investing is crucial. Can proactive financial planning really make a difference during a recession? Absolutely. Proactive financial planning is the key to navigating recessions successfully. This video highlights the importance of adaptability and a forward-thinking approach to secure your financial future. In conclusion, while recessions can be challenging, they also present opportunities for financial growth and resilience. By exploring the gig economy, investing wisely, building an emergency fund, launching side businesses, upskilling, and diversifying your investments, you can position yourself for success during economic downturns. Remember, adaptability and a proactive approach are key to making money in a recession. Stay tuned for more financial wisdom, and consider sharing this video with our wealthy community.